Coming to the next paragraph. My grandmother always went to school with me because the school was attached to the temple. Khushwant Singh is saying that she always goes with me just because school was attached to temple and she was very religious lady. So she always used to go to temple. The priest taught us the alphabet, and in his school, the priest is saint. They used to taught Khushwant Singh the alphabet and the morning prayer. So there in the village school, the priest, the saint, used to taught alphabet and the morning prayer. While the children sat in the row on either side of the veranda, singing the alphabet or the prayer in chorus, and there on the either side in the veranda means on both the sides of the verandas, children used to sit over there and they just started singing the alphabet or the prayer in chorus is basically when group of people who sings together, as you people sing prayer in a chorus manner. So here Khushwant Singh is saying that students used to sing alphabet or prayer in chorus. My grandmother sat inside reading the scriptures. While my grandmother sit inside the temple, she used to wait for Khushwant Singh, and she sit inside the temple and used to read scriptures. Scriptures means religious book. Clear, students? When we had both finished, when Khushwant Singh's school gets over, then Khushwant Singh went to grandmother to temple. We would we would walk back together. And here Khushwant Singh is saying that we both walked together to home. This time the village dogs would meet us at the temple door. And here now what happened at this time when they returned to home? This time actually the village dogs who meet us at the temple door. So why they met? Because grandmother was very much attached to dogs and she used to feed dogs. That is why every day it's a routine. They used to come over there and they used to meet to her grandmother. They followed us our home, growling and fighting with each other for the chapatis we threw to them. And at that time what they used to do, they just follow us to home together. I mean all of them, Khushwant Singh, grandmother, as well as dogs, they just followed together. Growling is the sound which is actually produced by dogs, and they started fighting for chapatis and all, with each other for the chapatis we threw to them. So they followed, and dogs, they just fight for the chapatis. So students, what does this paragraph means? Again I am explaining it. Like his grandmother used to always went to school with him, and that village school was actually attached to the temple, and there our saint taught us the children the alphabet and the morning prayer in a chorus manner, right? And children used to sit in the veranda. Children used to sit in either side of the veranda. Either side is both sides of the veranda, and at that time they used to sing the alphabet or the prayer in a chorus manner. Chorus manner means when group of people sings together. And while grandmothers sat inside the temple, and at that time grandmother used to sit inside the temple, and she used to read the holy books. She used to read the scriptures, the religious books, right? Afterwards what happened, when Khushwant Singh school gets over, then they would walk home together, and at that time only the village dogs gather at the temple door. Why they gather? Just because both of them threw chapati to them. So the dogs would growl and fight with each other. Coming to the house. Coming to the next paragraph. When my parents were comfortably settled in the city, they sent for us. Khushwant Singh is saying that when my parents were settled in the city, then they call us. Call whom? Khushwant Singh as well as grandmother. And this thing, this time was actually turning point in our friendship, in grandmother's and Singh's relationship. From here, actually, a turning point occur. What was that turning point? Although we share the same room, and now Singh is saying that we went to city, but at that time we share the same room, but my grandmother no longer came to school with me. But now what happened? That distance came in the relationship of grandmother and Khushwant Singh. What was that distance? That my grandmother no longer came to school with me. At that time, when they settled in the city, they were in the city, so Khushwant Singh went school by motor bus, because earlier when both were in the village, grandmother accompany Khushwant Singh to school, right, as she used to sat in the temple. But now here Khushwant Singh actually went to English school by motor bus. So that is why the distance came. I used to go to an English school. Khushwant Singh is saying that I used to go, I mean, when I am in city, I used to go to an English school in a motor bus. There were no dogs, and now, I mean, when I'm going in the motor bus, there were no dogs in the street, right? Earlier, she used to feed dogs in the village school, right? But now here there were no dogs in the street, and she took to feeding sparrows in the courtyard of a city house. What actually her grandmother is doing, she started feeding the sparrows. Earlier she used to feed dogs, now she started feeding sparrows. Feeding means to make eat something, and took to feeding sparrows in the courtyard of her city. Courtyard is an open space, so there's an open space. Grandmother always used to sit over there and start feeding sparrows in the courtyard of our city house. Students, again I'm explaining you this paragraph in short, that when narrator's parents, when Khushwant Singh parents sent Khushwant Singh to city, this was actually called Khushwant Singh to the city. This was actually the turning point in both, in their friendship, home friendship, Khushwant Singh as well as grandmother, as they shared the same room. I mean, in city also they shared the same room, but now grandmother no longer went to school with him. But now, as Khushwant Singh went to English medium school by motor bus, so here she no longer went to school with him. Here Khushwant Singh goes to English school in a motor bus. Now there were no dogs in the street, so grandmother, what she used to do, she used to feed sparrows in the courtyard. Next paragraph, students. As the years rolled, as the years passes by, we saw less of each other. Now here Khushwant Singh is actually occupied in her work. He was busy in his life. So they both saw each other very less. For sometimes she continued to wake me up in the morning and get me ready for school. So here Khushwant Singh is saying that sometimes what she used to do, she used to wake me in the morning and she used to prepare me for school. When I came back, she would ask me what the teacher had taught me. And when Khushwant Singh came back to home, then grandmother, she was having curiosity that what his teacher actually taught in school. And at that time, Khushwant Singh tells, I would tell her English words and little things of Western science and learning. And at that time, Khushwant Singh tells that, I learned some English words in school. I learned some little English words and little things of Western science and learning, the law of gravity. So these all, topics, these all things he learned in English school. The law of gravity, Archimedes' principle, the world being round, etc. This made her unhappy. When she listened these things, these things actually taught in English medium school. So she became very unhappy, she became very sad, just because she did not believe in English school, right? She did not believe in English school as there were no teaching of God and scriptures, right? So that is why she became very upset. Students, just mark up till here. This made her unhappy. Just mark up till here.